Hi guys, welcome to Integration TV, my Mogadishu Summer Vlog series. Today again from Mecca Hotel, but then in the cafe. So I'm with Caroline again, and today we're talking about the wedding. Because you're so fortunate to have seen a Somali wedding.
Right.
And it was a beautiful wedding. I have never seen a wedding like that, with the culture and the woman pounding the mice and the music and everything. It was amazing. So today we will be talking about that, and if you guys stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Yeah. يا طعيم محمد نار الله رماي على أحمد بديو من الشيخ أخان ولمن سكها ويا هلو كوهاتيا عبسي هذا بويسكروه رايتها فري أمر يا بدها أروميه بيا ولمن يبلغ كعيه بنسيه بيا بابشيو هلنتا هبوره بيا أغيا ترعارنا ما هوي تريه الوان عطان ساما دوهتنيو هو من الشيخ سكور صبي عروره كايبوه وها أنا يكالك هايبا قابا هايبا نخرينا هيا
Welcome back. And so first tell me your impression about the wedding.
I really have never seen something like that. I've been through many weddings my whole life, but I've never quite seen that because we entered and then immediately were welcomed to go upstairs and eat something. And that was awesome, just seeing the waiters bringing food. And then after that, we had to go downstairs, and there was such merriment. I've never quite seen
It was beautiful,
anything
right?
like that.
Yes.
It was really, really nice.
Yeah.
Even before the bride arrived, there was a lot of singing and dancing. Then she arrived, and it continued on and on. And I had that.
Have you ever been to a Somali wedding?
I've never. This was my first time.
This was your first
Yeah,
time?
yeah. And I was really impressed.
And it was impressive.
Yes.
It was impressive.
Yeah.
It was because what happened was we came in and the bride wasn't there. So then what happened? Yeah, you went upstairs because the guys and the girls were separate.
Yeah.
They were separated. And then we were eating on the other side.
Right.
And the girls were eating on the other side of
side.
the hall. And so the family and everything, how did you like them?
I loved the family.
You loved them?
I loved them. Everybody was so friendly.
They were
really.
nice?
They were really, really nice. I didn't feel like I was a stranger at all. I felt like really welcome.
What we're being,
Yeah, you know, you
I'm
can go
glad to hear that.
somewhere. You can go somewhere and feel uncomfortable because nobody's talking.
Because
to
nobody's talking to you.
Yeah, but it
and
didn't happen
nobody
here.
knows you.
Yeah,
Stuff
it
like
didn't-
that.
It didn't happen. Yeah, people were like sitting next to me, and everybody who sat next to me talked to me.
Okay.
They didn't say like, "Oh, she's a stranger." So that's something really beautiful about Somalia.
It was very
Yeah.
funny because the first girl who was sitting next to her, she first talked to you in Somali.
Yes.
And then you said, I can't speak Somali, but she couldn't speak English. And so
Right.
she tried to talk to her, communicate with her
Right.
hands and face expression.
Right.
And
Yeah.
it was very funny to see. So do you have something to add?
I really loved it, and I just like to congratulate the newly wedded
Yes.
couple and
Yes.
wish them all the years of happiness.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wish them all luck
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
world.
And I hope as on one of my travels I'll bump into them and just thank them for inviting me and just making me feel at home, because that was really awesome.
I hope it will be a lifelong commitment.
Yes.
And guys, I wish you all the luck in the world. Abdunnoor and Anisa,
Yeah.
your wedding was amazing. We loved it. And
Absolutely.
I look forward to go to another wedding like that.
Yes.
Like, it was it was beyond.
I will be looking out for Somali weddings.
The first Somali weddings, right? The next day she was asking me right away, is there a wedding this weekend? I want to attend a wedding. It was very funny. So, guys, we wish you all the luck in the world.
Right.
For all the watchers of My Mogadishu Summer, if you like the video, thumbs up, please. Subscribe so you can help us and we can go to other cities to cover Somalia. So guys, we'll see you next Thursday. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day and take care.
Ciao.